Today I will take you through the budgets page. You'll need to set up giving point budgets. To enable your employees to recognize one another with points, if you've enabled peer-to-peer recognition with points in your program settings, or to enable your team leaders to run incentive campaigns where they can award points to their team members for reaching a campaign's objective. You do not need to set up a giving point budget for your administrators. Anyone with an admin role in your program has unlimited giving points available. You can set up the budgets from the Manage Budgets page in your admin menu. The first step in creating your budget is to choose the budget reset frequency. When should your employees and team leaders' budget renew? Should it renew every Monday on a weekly basis, on the first of the month, every quarters, or every year? The global budgets are just a quick and easy way for you to set the same amount of points that every user in your program will receive. Just enter the number of points everyone should receive and the frequency option for this budget. The global team leader's budget works the same way, but it's only applied to anyone with a team leader role. Enter the number of points, the renewal option, and every manager will receive this budget based on the number of teams they manage. So if I'm a manager of 2 teams, I will receive 400 points from the global team leader's budget, 200 points per team managed. If you want to set separate or different giving point budgets depending on the users, employees, team leaders, you can create custom budgets. Custom budgets are a lot more specific because they let you allocate a giving point budget to the specific people you'll select in a list, so only those recipients will receive this budget. Specific team leaders, simply select the teams. Team members, again, select the teams from which the team members will receive this budget, or based on the profile fields that your super administrators may have set up in your program settings. For example, if I want to set up a custom budget for a specific manager, I will select specific team leaders, choose the team of which the manager should receive the points, give it a name. So this, for example, could be the Project A monthly incentive budget, and it will be given to the manager of the Project A, whoever this manager is. Enter the number of points this manager should receive, and the frequency option for this budget. In this case, I want this budget to be given out one time, but it will not renew next month. As soon as you create the budget, the points will be added to this manager's giving balance, and they can start using it to run incentive campaigns or award their team members with it. You can create as many custom budgets as you need. An employee can receive multiple giving point budgets. Simply note that the points do not roll over the following period. So if your employees or managers don't use all of their giving points by the end of the month, in this example, any leftover point will be wiped out and they'll start fresh with a new budget the following period. You can view the detail of all custom budgets by clicking the arrow. You can also temporarily disable a budget if you want to pause it. You can also delete it forever if you want to prevent it from renewing again. You can also review who the recipients of the budget are. You can modify the selection to add or remove recipients from the budget recipient list. Simply note that when you edit an existing budget, any changes you apply will take effect the following month.